Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm so excited that my March paper pumpkin kit came in. This is the paper pumpkin kit celebrating Paper Pumpkin's 6th birthday. So it's called Poppin' Birthday, which I'm super excited about. And isn't this box just gorgeous? I love it. I always keep the pattern boxes for keeping tools or different things in my stamp room. So I'm super excited to add this one to my collection. So super cute, and I love the colors. I hope that means those are the colors that are in the kit. So there's also an extra free stamp set in this kit, which I'm super excited about because it looks like there's numbers. Wow! Look at these polka dot numbers, and these things are huge. Like, okay, do you guys know what the Stampin' spot is? That's like the same size. So like an inch, I would say, an inch and a half maybe. Those are huge. So there's a balloon and then all the numbers, a pound sign, and then there's ND, TH, ST, and RD for like third, fourth, first, that sort of thing. Then this stamp set says, today we celebrate you, it's your, and then happy and birthday. There's a candle, a party hat, and confetti. So super cute. Let's open this up because we get to celebrate with Paper Pumpkin. It's like it's our birthday too. Cute. These cards pop out. So I kind of figured that's what the Poppin' theme was that they were going to pop out, but this is cute. Okay, so here we have the picture of all of the cards. And then there's all the instructions on the inside, as well as a little ruler on the bottom to use for cutting your ribbon. And then, of course, there's two pictures on the back side as well. Here we have, I'm pretty sure that is like tear and tape. These look like mini Stampin' Dimensionals, but they also don't. They look a little bit bigger. They're like a medium Stampin' Dimensional. And then some glue dots. Ooh, these are cute little scallops. Can you see that little scallop edge around there? Super cute. And then the little scalloped banners. Like, see that scallop little edge? I love that. Here's the envelopes. I'm loving those dots on the inside. So here's all of those. Oh, here's some yellow stripes. So those are super fabulous. So it looks like there's a few of each, like maybe four of each. Yes, 4 of each. So that means there's a total of 8 cards of the 2 designs. Here we have our little candles. And then those go like along the cake. And so they actually already have adhesive already on them. So that's super handy. And then they just kind of pop out as like a strip. So there's 2 strips of candles. Then here's one of our card bases. And here's the other card base. So you can see that they're already scored. So you can pop them out. So they're scored and cut already so that you can kind of pop and fold. So these, I'm pretty sure, come forward, and then the rest of the card goes back. I don't know, I might actually have to read the instructions for that. But there's the 2 card bases. Here's little decoration pieces. These are just die cuts. They're not actually stickers. So there's the party hats and the bows. And then these are the card bases. So there's the polka dot card bases and the gray card bases. And then we have some banners. And then these are numbers. So these are polka dot numbers, and you can see they are in 1 through 9, including 0. So we have polka dot numbers there, but then you have additional polka dot numbers here. And then this is confetti numbers. So this is 0 through 9 in confetti. So you can see the little die cut, and they're the same size as these. And then here we have just little striped banners. Just like that. So super, super cute. Oh, I don't know that I even mentioned this. Poppy Parade is the ink pad color. So super, super cute. So it's like Poppy Parade and like Crushed Curry and Bermuda Bay and gray, like super, super loving this color combination. And I love this scallop trim. That's super, super, super cute. And then of course, 2 stamp sets. I love that. And I love, I have a whole little container with all of my Paper Pumpkin stamps in it. And so anytime I need a specific holiday or specific thing, I always go back to those, because after 1 year of Paper Pumpkin, you pretty much have every single holiday stamp set. Something that says, you know, Easter and Christmas and Thanksgiving and stuff like that. So I love that because I can always go back if I don't have that holiday stamp set and look in my Paper Pumpkin ones, because it's probably in there. So super, super fabulous. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the March 2019 Paper Pumpkin kit called Poppin' Birthday. And I hope you got this one because it is super fabulous. If not, you definitely don't want to miss out on any future kits. I will leave a link down below so that you can sign up for the April one. The only sneak peek or clue that I have on that one is that it is going to have one of the distinctive stamps, which are those new textured ones that really make the image look 3D. So that is super exciting. I'm hoping it's flowers just because I love flowers, but I'd be happy with anything, and I have plenty of flowers, so I'd be cool with something else too. But I can't wait to see the April kit. Be sure to sign up before April 10th, which is when Paper Pumpkin hits. So I'll leave the link down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all next time. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!